You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more Arabic names, including Muslim names, make sure to stay tuned. In Arabic, this means the manifest. It's one of the names of God in Islam, pronounced in Arabic as Zahir, Zahir, Zahir. In English, therefore, it is usually pronounced as how to pronounce English pronunciation. Zahir, Zahir, Zahir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.